Hello everyone, welcome to IMS GATE Academy. Here is an update from GATE 2025 official website. Yes, when you will go to the official website, here you can see one latest update due to several requests from applicants. Closing date of extended online registration or application process with late fees is now further extended up to the 11th October. Earlier it was 7th October, now it is extended up to the 11th October. So if you missed to fill the form, now don't worry, you can fill the form. Here you are having again the chance, but this time you will fill the form with the late fees. Okay, so you can follow the process. One very important thing I want to cover here for those students who fill the form. We are getting lots of the queries and comments from the students कि मैम we fill the form but we are not able to recorrect our mistakes. So don't worry dear students, once this application form filling process will be finished, then you will have a specific window. In that one you can correct your each and every mistake. So look at here, for that especially you can check your FAQs here. Okay, so first FAQ I want to take here, this one. Does the OBC or EWS candidate need to upload the category certificate? Then this answer is no. Please check this one. If you are from SC, ST, PWD, then you need to upload the category certificate. If you miss it to upload, then you will have option again in the correction window. You can go and you can fill, but maybe that time you need to pay some specific fees for every correction. Okay, and the next is this issue is there कि money has been debited from my account. Then also you can check here. Now this very important thing कि do I have to send the printout of the application form? No dear students, you need to fill only and only application form online mode. Okay, and when and how will I know the status of my application? This is mentioned here. You can check the status of your application by logging into the GATE 25 website only. Okay, yeah, now this is important thing कि after completing the online application process and generating a PDF file, will I able to change my application data? So this is showing no. After completing all the steps up to the PDF application form, generating in the online application process, you can only download the application form and cannot modify the data. Hence, you need to be very careful by entering the data. Okay, especially. And if I have not uploaded photograph as per the specification mentioned, suppose you just upload your photograph which is a blur photo, so then what you need to do? So will my application be rejected? So your application will be marked defective. You will be intimated by email. If you did this mistake, then they will mail you, they will give you the information that you did this mistake. SMS or phone call from your respective zone to rectify your defect. Okay, by uploading a new photograph, you will be given chances for rectification up to the deadline, beyond which your application will either be considered as provisional or rejected. Okay, so be careful with this one. For that, every update you need to check regularly GATE 25 website. If I have not uploaded signature as per the specific mention, will my application be rejected? Again here you will have option for rectify for this one also. So signature, photograph, certificate, you will have option. Which identity document will be accepted? They mention this one also. Okay, and what will happen if I am not able to produce EWS certificate at the time of admission or counseling? So GATE has nothing to do with this. Okay, subsequent admission or recruitment process. So this is the next stage, not related to the GATE. Yeah, do I have to upload my EWS certificate during the application process? No, there is no requirement. Okay, so you can see dear students, like this one, you can see the FAQs. Okay, I want to use my new name taken after the marriage. I have photo ID with the older name. Will my application be rejected? Again here you can upload the photo ID with old name along with an affidavit if in this case of marriage. Okay, otherwise your applications will either be considered as provisional or rejected. Also you should carry affidavit along with the photo ID in the examination hall also. So please dear students, for any such type of confusion, okay, first of all you need to wait up to the correction window will start. Second, you need to check the FAQs, and if still you face any difficulty, write down directly to the mail. Okay, they will surely revert to you and they will take care of your concern. Dear students, stay connected to IMS GATE Academy YouTube channel. Thanks.